everyone! Today is April 17. It's a Friday, 5:04 p.m. and right now we are on the way to Events Place sa concert ni April.
Concert ko. Concert ni April Boy. Yeah.
Ni anong pangalan nun?
Dingo Regino.
Dingo Regino.
Sapagkat ang inyong lingkod. Sapagkat naatasan ng inyong lingkod na mag-perform ng tatlong makabagbag damdaming awitin doon.
Yeah, magpo-front act siya, guys. Yay!
Magpo-front act ang inyong lingkod doon, guys.
Yes! Kaya natin ito binablog kasi it's his first time. Para, you know, in time, meron siyang babalik-balikan.
Nakayabangan, guys. Kapal ng mukha.
Yeah.
Hindi natin alam kung bakit tayo napasali sa mga ganito. Pero nandito na tayo.
So, there's no backing out. Ang ano lang is you're gonna do good. And you just need to have self-confidence.
And faith.
And faith. And pray before you perform.
Guys, please pray for me.
I'm gonna ask for guidance. Yeah, so right now we're just on the way to the Events Place. The doors open at 7, but we're going in early. Our estimated arrival is at 5:20.
Yeah, late na kami nun, guys. Kasi ang sabi ng producer natin, we should be there before 5. But it's 5:06 na.
Yeah.
At dahil ang inyong lingkod ay nakatulog ng masarap, tinawagan lang tayo ng ating stage mom. Kaya nagising tayo. And naligo pa. And nagpakyut pa ng konti. Ngayon, late tayo.
Late. So yeah, we're kinda late. We're kinda late, pero
para laban na.
at least we're coming. So sorry. Kasi naman super tired, kaya nakatulog na din. And yeah, we'll see you guys there later. Bye-bye!
Ever since he enjoys performing both rap and ballad songs, showcasing his versatility and love for music. As he makes his debut, John is ready to share his talent and passion with the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause, please, for John Bendy.
So, magandang gabi. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta ngayon. I just want to give thanks to my family who supported me here tonight. So, yan. Kaya na po natin umpisa ng ating So, this is my first song. The title of this one is Harana. Made popular by Parokya ni Edgar during early 2000. But they done it like rap genre. But for tonight, we're just gonna try to give it a little bit different flavor. Sino ba to? Mukhang gago. Nagkandara pa sa pagkanda. At nagsisito
Mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. Nila ay hindi mahalaga, mahal kita maging sino ka man. Na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking lamang. Special shout out to my friend, my go-to guy, Miller James Solano. Thank you. At sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nakalimutan sa na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking lamang.
Tuwan-tuwa ako, gusto mo kasawa nito. Alright, saan? Dito ba? Dito! The crown of death. France, okay, maraming salamat, bossing. Sana, enjoy mo kayo, let's go. Picture tayo, gusto nyo. Picture tayo dito.
Ayan, it's 10:49 and there, pauwi na kami.
Yo, what's up guys? So, okay naman ata yung performance natin, hindi ko lang alam. May galing din yung mga sumunod na front act sa atin.
Hindi ko lang na-video lahat.
May mga
I was slow
may
back.
mga bumanat din ng kanilang pyesa.
Yes.
Kumbaga kanilang compose na kanta tayo. First time pa lang natin mag-guest sa ganon, yung kumbaga mag-front act ng ganon. Wala pa tayo experience. This is for the first time, but I guess I did my best. So, wala tayong dapat pagsisihan.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
meron pa tayo sa next day, sa Sunday.
Sunday. Sa
Red
Red
Deer
Deer.
naman.
But I won't
Sa
be
April
there.
Boy concert as well.
I just won't be able to be there. Yeah. Anyhow, or anyways, we're ending the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching, if you did. If lumabas ka dito.
we're just 5 minutes away to home, so yeah.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. We'll see you in our next vlog.